Limiting beliefs are like invisible barriers that separate you from the reality you desire. These beliefs shape your perception, influencing how you interpret and interact with the world. To truly create the life you want, it's essential to identify and dismantle these mental constraints. The first step in removing limiting beliefs is awareness. Many of these beliefs operate subconsciously, arising from past experiences, cultural conditioning, or negative self-talk. Observe your thoughts and emotions to uncover the stories you've been telling yourself. Once you've identified a limiting belief, question its validity. Ask yourself, is this belief absolutely true? Often, you'll find it's based on assumptions or fears rather than facts. By questioning its legitimacy, you weaken its hold on your mind. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. If you've believed, I am not worthy of success, replace it with, I am deserving of every success I desire. Repetition and emotional engagement with this new belief will help it take root. Visualization is a powerful tool to shift your beliefs. Imagine yourself living the life you desire, experiencing the emotions and sensations of that reality. This practice conditions your mind to align with your desired outcomes. Affirmations can reinforce new, empowering beliefs. Create statements that reflect your desired reality, such as, I am abundant, and repeat them daily with conviction. Consistency is key to rewiring your thought patterns. Emotions are a critical part of this process. Feel the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment as though your desires have already manifested. This emotional resonance bridges the gap between your current state and the reality you wish to experience. Practice self-compassion as you work through limiting beliefs. Change is a process, and it's natural to encounter resistance. Acknowledge your progress and celebrate every step toward transformation. Your assumptions about life create your reality. What you consistently assume to be true shapes your experiences. Shift your assumptions to align with your desires, and the world will reflect these new truths back to you. To attract your desires, embody the state of being that matches your goal. If you want love, feel loved. If you want wealth, feel abundant. Your inner state determines your external reality. Gratitude amplifies your manifesting power. Focus on the blessings in your life and give thanks for them. Gratitude shifts your energy to a higher vibration, drawing more positive experiences to you. Let go of attachment to outcomes. Trust that your desires are already on their way to you. When you release the need to control the how and when, you allow the universe to orchestrate the perfect circumstances. Meditate to quiet your mind and connect with your inner self. Meditation helps you access the deeper layers of your consciousness, where limiting beliefs reside. With regular practice, you can dissolve these blocks and create space for new possibilities. Surround yourself with uplifting influences. The people, environments, and media you engage with shape your beliefs. Choose those that inspire and reinforce your desired reality. Understand that reality is malleable. Your perception, thoughts, and feelings continuously shape the world around you. Embrace the creative power you hold to mold your life as you wish. Practice persistence. Changing beliefs and manifesting desires requires consistent effort. Even when you don't see immediate results, trust that the unseen forces are working in your favor. Release old stories that no longer serve you. The narratives you've carried about who you are and what's possible can be rewritten. Craft a new story that aligns with the life you desire. Recognize the power of imagination. Your imagination is a tool to preview and create your future. Use it deliberately to visualize the reality you want, and let this vision guide your thoughts and actions. Every thought you think is a seed planted in the garden of your mind. Nurture thoughts of abundance, love, and success, and they will grow into your experience. Weed out thoughts of doubt and fear. Detach from limiting beliefs through self-inquiry. Techniques like journaling or dialogue with your inner self can help uncover the roots of these beliefs and dissolve their influence. Adopt a mindset of infinite possibilities. Limiting beliefs often stem from the perception of lack or limitation. Expand your awareness to see that there are endless ways for your desires to manifest. Shift your focus from problems to solutions. When challenges arise, look for the opportunities within them. This perspective shift transforms obstacles into stepping stones toward your goals. Practice the feeling of having your desire now. This aligns your vibration with the outcome you want. The more real this feeling becomes, the more quickly it manifests in your physical reality. Embrace the concept of oneness. Understand that you are connected to the infinite intelligence that creates everything. When you align with this power, your desires become inevitable. Trust in the unseen. Just as you trust that seeds planted in soil will grow, trust that the seeds of your thoughts and beliefs are taking shape in the unseen realm before they become visible. Monitor your self-talk. The words you speak to yourself reinforce your beliefs. Speak to yourself with kindness and confidence, affirming the reality you wish to create. Celebrate every manifestation, no matter how small. Each realization of your desires reinforces your belief in your creative power. Gratitude for these manifestations sets the stage for even greater blessings to flow into your life. Reality conforms to your beliefs in profound ways. When you believe you are capable and deserving, opportunities seem to arise effortlessly. Your beliefs act as a filter, shaping how you perceive and interact with the world. The external world mirrors your internal state. If you hold on to limiting beliefs, you'll notice situations that reinforce them. Conversely, when you cultivate empowering beliefs, the world aligns to reflect abundance, love, and success. Recognize that every interaction and experience is a reflection of your dominant thoughts and feelings. By shifting your beliefs, you shift the lens through which you view life, creating a new reality in alignment with your desires. Embrace the truth that reality is fluid and responsive. Your beliefs set the tone, and the universe responds in kind. When you master your inner world, you'll witness the outer world transform to match your highest vision. Understand that belief is a continuous practice. Just as you strengthen muscles with consistent exercise, reinforcing empowering beliefs requires ongoing attention and commitment. Each day is an opportunity to realign. Notice synchronicities in your life as evidence of your shifting reality. Small signs and coincidences often signal that your beliefs are aligning with your desires, encouraging you to stay on your path. Be patient with the process of change. Reality adjusts to match your beliefs in divine timing. Trust that every step, no matter how small, is contributing to the manifestation of your dreams. Finally, cultivate an unshakable faith in your ability to create your reality.